In the magical land of Fantasia, every night was a carnival of lights, with shimmering stars granting wishes to all who believed. Barbie, beloved by many, appreciated each twinkle in the velvet sky. One fateful dawn, however, the residents of Fantasia awoke to find the sky eerily dark. There were no stars to wish upon, and a quiet distress spread throughout the land. Barbie, curious and concerned, journeyed to the elder tree where she found the Star Keeper, a wise and ancient spirit that guided the stars across the sky. The Star Keeper revealed that a gust of magical wind had blown through, scattering the stars across the land. Barbie knew she had to act quickly, for the annual Wish Festival was only 3 nights away. Joined by her spirited sisters, Skipper and Chelsea, Barbie embraced the challenge. Together, they set off on a quest to retrieve the scattered stars. Their journey began in the Crystal Caverns, a dazzling yet treacherous labyrinth. As they navigated through the sparkling tunnels, they discovered the first missing star, its light captured within a web of shining crystals. Using Skipper's clever mind and Chelsea's nimble hands, they carefully unhooked the star and released its glow. Their next destination was the Luminous Forest, where tendrils of phosphorescent vines created a neon canopy. Here they found another star trapped, its light dimmed by the tangled embrace of the vines. Barbie, with her reassuring warmth, spoke gently to the forest, coaxing the vines to untangle and free the star. The last star was the most elusive, held captive by a playful sprite named Fizzy, who loved games and riddles. To retrieve this star, Barbie and her friends had to prove their wit and patience. After solving Fizzy's riddle with laughter and fun, the sprite happily handed over the star. With all the stars back in hand, Barbie and her friends worked tirelessly to sort them by size and brightness, following the Star Keeper's guidance. As night fell on the eve of the Wish Festival, they restored each star to its rightful place in the sky. The realm of Fantasia was once again aglow, and as the first wish was heard by the twinkling stars, Barbie knew their efforts had not only restored the celestial beauty, but also rekindled the hope and dreams of all who called Fantasia home.